Before we begin, let me share a thought with you. Being wise and being seen as wise are two completely different things. People may laugh at you. They may doubt your choices. They may misjudge your actions. But true wisdom is staying steady, calm, and confident even when others don't understand you. Success is not built on applause. It grows out of patience, quiet confidence, and the courage to make the right choice when the moment comes. And today's story shows exactly that. In a distant kingdom, there lived a thoughtful minister, a man the king trusted deeply. Whenever an important decision had to be made, the king always turned to him. But that trust brought jealousy. Many in the palace quietly resented the minister. They could not openly oppose him, but in their hearts, they disliked how much influence he carried. One day, the king called the minister over and said, "You are wise, but your son seems a bit simple to me. Every morning I ask him, which is worth more, gold or silver? And every single day he says silver." The entire court burst into laughter. The minister felt embarrassed. He bowed and returned home quietly. At home, he called his son and asked, "Tell me honestly, which is more valuable?" The boy answered without hesitation, "Gold, father. Everyone knows that." The minister sighed. "Then why do you tell the king that silver is more valuable? They laughed at you today, all of them." But the boy simply smiled. "Father, every morning the king places 2 coins in front of me, 1 gold coin and 1 silver coin. Then he says, 'Take whichever one you think is more valuable.' I always take the silver coin. He laughs and walks away, and I get to keep the coin." The minister frowned. "But why not take the gold one?" The boy took his father's hand and led him to his room. He opened a small wooden box. Inside were dozens of silver coins stacked neatly, shining softly in the light. "These are the coins the king gave me," he said. "If I ever take the gold coin, he will know I understand the difference. And the moment he realizes that, he will stop asking the question. And if he stops asking, I stop receiving." He looked up and whispered, "I'd rather earn a silver coin every day than take 1 gold coin once and lose the opportunity forever. The king thinks I'm foolish, but I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm practicing patience. I'm thinking long term. Not everyone sees that." The minister looked at his son with a new kind of respect. At that moment, he understood something profound. True intelligence often looks like foolishness to people who don't think deeply. The wise do not need to argue. They do not need approval. Their results will speak for them over time. From that day on, whenever someone called his son silly, the minister simply smiled. Because he knew those who were truly wise notice what others completely miss. In life, you will meet 2 kinds of people: those who talk loudly but do very little, and those who build quietly and let their actions speak. The minister's son didn't try to impress anyone. He didn't explain himself. He just stayed focused on what mattered. So, if you know you're on the right path, ignore the noise. Your results will one day speak louder than the doubts, the laughter, or the misunderstandings around you. If this story touched your heart, tap the like button, share what you learned, and send it to someone who needs a bit of inspiration today. See you in the next story.